Hello, in front of me I've got Realme 12 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to switch it off. To switch off Realme 12 Pro, enter Power menu. In order to do it, press and hold Power button and Volume up button. Now select Power off. If you want to use only Power button for Power menu, go to Settings and find Gestures. Select Power menu instead of Digital Assistant. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.